Hello, friends. Today we will discuss the topic marriage and marital background. What is marriage? It is defined as a social arrangement through which individuals or group acquire certain special rights over each other. These rights are both kinship rights and domestic rights. For example, kinship rights are sexual rights, right to seek sexual gratification. Second, right to bear or beget children. And B, domestic rights. What are these rights? Right to seek cooperation for management of household. Now, forms of marriage: monogamy, one man, one woman; polygamy, a polygyny, one man with many wives; and polyandry means one woman with many husbands. Now, let us see what is marital background is. Marital background can be divided into three major categories: divorce, legally getting detached, termination of marriage. Second one is separation, on paper remain together but actually staying away from each other. And third one is empty cell marriage, on paper and husband and wife and living under the same roof but no intimacy and cooperation between them. So here marriage exists in name only. These three forms must be considered in any assessment of the rate of marital background. There has been a steady rise in divorce rate in industrial societies, including India, throughout the last century and current century. So is the case with separations and empty cell marriage. Some sociologists argue that there exists a cycle of marital background. It starts with empty cell marriage and shifts to separation and ends in divorce. Nikki Hart, what she has said about the marriage in her book When Marriage Ends. She argued that any explanation of marital background must consider the following factors: those which affect value attached to the marriage; second, those which affect the degree of conflict between the spouses; and third, those which affect the opportunity for individual to escape from marriage. From functional perspective, the rate of marital background is to some extent a reflection of changing norms and values in general. Parsons and Ronald Fletcher argued that the rise in marital background seems largely from the fact that marriage is increasingly valued. People expect and demand more from marriage and consequently more likely to end a relationship which may have been acceptable in the past. Thus, Ronald Fletcher argued that a relatively high divorce rate is indicating not of lower but of higher standards of marriage in the society. This view also gets support from Young and Wilmot, Goldthorpe, and other sociologists. Nikki Hart further argues that factors must be considered in an explanation of marital background as those which affect the degree of conflict between spouses. The adaptation of family to the requirements of the economic system has placed a strain on marital relationship. It has led to the relative isolation of nuclear family from the wider kinship network. According to functionalist perspective, change in the norms and values associated with divorce are changing. The stigma attached to the divorce has been considerably reduced. Media has played a crucial role in creating a positive atmosphere for marital background, divorce, and remarriage. According to sociologists like Gooday, changes in attitude towards divorce is also part of general process of secularization of society. Before church were against divorce, but now roles of church and religious institutions into declining personal matters have substantially in deciding personal matters have substantially declined. Nikki Hart also presents a Marxian alternative thought for the marital background. She argues that the increasing divorce rate has been seen as a product of conflict between changing economic system and sociological and ideological superstructure, particularly the family. In advanced capitalist industrial societies, there is increasing demand for cheap and female wage laborers. Wives are encouraged to take up paid employment not only because of demand for their services but also because of capitalist control media has raised material aspirations. The demand for goods that family desires. However, the conflict results from the contradiction between female wage laborers and the normative expectations which arise in marital life. Working wives are still expected to be the responsible for housework and raising children. This conflict may result in marital background. Sociologists also argue that variation in divorce rate on marital background between various groups differ within a society. The changes which have influenced the rate of marital background doesn't affect all members of society in the same way. They are influenced by the social structure. Because of this, there are class differences in rates of marital background. In advanced industrial societies like USA, there is an inverse relationship between labor income and marital background. In case of industrial or transitional society like India, divorce rate is highly in lower middle class and working class. Traditional society like India, higher the income, higher the marital background, breakdown. Apart from social class, a number of other factors are associated with variation in divorce rates, such as lower the age at marriage, higher the divorce rate. Marital status of parent. If one or both of the spouses have parents who have been divorced, then there is greater likelihood that their marriage itself will end in divorce. The children from the broken family will be more prone for divorce. Third one is chances of marital background increases if the spouses have different social background. For example, if they have come from different class, ethnic groups, conflict may result from partners having different marital role expectation, which stem from the subculture of their particular social group. Marital background breakdown also has a relationship with a kind of occupation. High rate of divorce can be seen among certain occupational classes. Nikki Hart finds that long distance truck drivers, sales representative, engineers, technicians, software professionals whose job requires frequent separation from spouses has more divorce rate among them. T. Nobel finds a similar relationship between the particular occupation of high rate of divorce actors. Authors, artists, company directors, and hotel keepers have high rate of divorce, which Nobel argues result from their high degree of involvement in their work and correspondingly a low involvement in their marriage relationship. These professionals provide particularly to the husband a greater opportunity to meet the members of opposite sex away from the company of his spouse. In a contemporary world, marital background breakdown becomes easy due to easy laws, proper procedures. Everyone is quite aware. Now, implications of marital breakdown. High level of delinquency among youth, high incidences of poverty. It also creates conditions for drug abuse, crime among children, low level of socialization, economic deprivation. It also affects welfare measure of a state. State has to create special institutions and infrastructure for protecting the rights of people. Recent changes. According to Anthony Giddens, the book The Transformation of Intimacy, the idea of romantic love is getting replaced by confluent love. Permanent marriage is an ideal institution for romantic love. But now people are more interested in instrumental relationship, which is called pure relationship based on concept of confluent love. Confluent love. Confluent love is primarily influenced by the notion of plastic sexuality. It means condoms, tablets, etc. have detached sexual activity from foundation of marriage relationship. Sexuality without bothering of childbirth. Sexual enjoyment with each other and once satisfied break the relationship and look for others. Ulrich Beck and Elizabeth Beck. They have argued that individuals in modern world are confronted with endless series of choices. As part of constructing, adjusting, improving, or dissolving the union they formed with other. People are now entering the marriage voluntarily. It has now become one of the choices, not the only choice. However, Beck and Beck have argued that due to this multiplicity of choices, rise in antagonism can be seen between men and women. Means people have choices. They called it battle between sexes. Because of this battle between sexes, there is an immense growth of marriage counsel industry, family courts, marital self-help group, law firms specialized in divorce have increased. Now, let us see what Zygmunt Bauman has said. In his book Liquid Love, Bauman argued that the relationships are now no more bounded by any restrictions. Liquid love means constantly changing and non-lasting bonding that an individual creates in his social life. Love is no more fixed. It is liquid and fluid. It creates a semi-detached couple in top pocket relationship. That means high class elite. So it's all about marriage and marital breakdown. Thank you very much.